students, today we will study functions. In functions we will study composition of functions, invertible of function. In previous videos we have studied types of functions. If you get more benefit of this video, the first you watch previous videos. Okay. In students, in previous videos we have studied types of functions. So now we will understand types of functions through some examples. Example first, check invertibility, surjectivity of the following functions. Sorry, check injectivity and surjectivity of following functions. First, f such that n tends to n given by fx equal x square. Second, f such that z tends to z given by fx equal x cube. Here these are two examples. Through these examples we will understand which function is injective and which function is surjective. Solution for first function, which is defined from natural number to natural number. Natural to natural, it means domain of the function is natural number and codomain also natural number. Okay. Function is defined through this condition, fx equal x square. Fx equal x square. The first, for injectivity, in this case we have to show distinct element have distinct images or not. So we take here fx1 equal to fx2 for all x1 comma x2 belong to capital N. Here we considered two elements from domain x1 and x2 and we consider their images equal. Now we have to show x1 equal x2, images equal हैं, शो करना है आपको x1 and x2 are equal. So by definition of this we put in place of fx1 x1 square and here x2 square. By definition of function, by definition of function. Now x1 square minus x2 square be equal to 0, and x1 we apply here formula a square minus b square, so we get x1 minus x2 into x1 plus x2 equal 0. There are two factors product is 0, so then it is possible only when any one factor be 0. ये तभी फैक्टर्स प्रोडक्ट 0 पॉसिबल होगा जब इन दोनों फैक्टर्स में से कोई एक फैक्टर 0 के इक्वल होगा. ओके, इफ x1 minus x2 equal 0, तो then x1 equal x2. And if x1 plus x2 equal 0, as we know that about x1 and x2, these are natural numbers, and on adding natural numbers never be equal to 0. Natural numbers always be positive, and positive numbers on adding cannot be equal to 0. 0 के equal नहीं हो सकता. So due to this case is not possible. Therefore, so it is not possible. Not possible. So first condition is possible. We shows here x1 equal x2, जो x1 x2 equal शो कर रहा है. This condition is possible. So here x1 equal x2, and we consider fx1 equal fx2. Due to this, distinct element have distinct images. डिस्टिंक्ट एलिमेंट का इमेजेस भी डिस्टिंक्ट है. x1 x2 इक्वल है, इमेजेस भी उनका इक्वल है. इट मीन x1 एंड x2 आर नॉट डिफरेंट, बोथ आर सेम. ड्यू टू दिस देयर इमेजेस be same. Therefore fx, that is function fx, is invertible, sorry, fx is injective. fx is injective. Okay. Second, surjectivity. In this case, we will prove कि each element of codomain has at least one pre-image in domain. codomain का कोई भी एलिमेंट विदाउट प्री-इमेज नहीं होना चाहिए. तो नाउ फॉर surjectivity, we consider here let fx equal x square. We consider this fx equal to y, and this y belong to here in codomain, belong to n in codomain. Okay. Now we find the value of x in term of y through this condition. X equal plus minus root y. So this way there are two values of x, one root y and second minus root y. Okay. These values are not belong to natural number. See these examples. If we take value of y 2, so then values of x will be root 2 and minus root 2. and these are not natural number. These are not natural number. Due to this, element 2 in codomain don't have any pre-image in domain. It means many elements of codomain are vacant without pre-image. कोडोमेन के बहुत सारे एलिमेंट्स ऐसे हैं जो विदाउट प्री इमेज है. देयरफॉर वी विल से दिस फंक्शन एफ एक्स इज नॉट सर्जेक्टिव. देयरफॉर एफ एक्स इज नॉट surjective. Okay, it means the function which is defined from natural number to natural number and defined by this f(x) equal x square is not is injective function but not surjective function. Okay. Now second example of this. Here function f which is defined from z to z and defined by f(x) equal x cube. Similarly, we have to show here that this function f(x) injective as well as surjective or not. So first for injectivity. For injectivity, same way we have to prove here distinct element have distinct images. So we consider here f(x1) and f(x2) image of two elements are equal for all x1 and x2 belong to z. In this case, these elements x1 and x2 are integers. Now by definition of function, we put the value of f(x1) and f(x2). So f(x1) cube and x2 cube, x1 cube equal to x2 cube. On transposition, we get this. Apply here a cube minus b cube formula. So we apply here a cube minus b cube formula. It will be x minus x1, formula of this a cube minus b cube b equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. So you apply here this formula a minus b, after this x1 square plus x1 x2 plus x2 square equal 0. Same way, these are two factors, product 0. So this product is 0 only possible when any one factor of them be equal to 0. So first we consider if x1 minus x3 equal to 0, so then x1 equal to x3. First condition is this, and the second, f x1 square plus x1 x2 plus x2 square equal to 0. Here, since x1 and x2 are integers, तो x1 स्क्वायर प्लस x2 स्क्वायर प्लस x1 x2 इक्वल टू 0. तो दिस condition may be possible. This condition may be possible. So due to this, we can say here that this function fx is not x1 minus x2. These are x1 minus x2. The first factor x1 minus x2 equal to 0, so then x1 equal to x2, and second factor if this equal to 0 and here x1 and x2 both are integers, and integers may be negative or positive both. So it condition also be possible, but we understand by taking some values. Suppose we take x1 equal to 1 and x2 equal minus 2. After putting here x1 1 square and 1 into minus 2, and after that minus 2 square, so this one minus 2 and it is 4 equal 0. It may be 5 minus 2 equal 0, not possible. Suppose we take values of x1 and x2 are different, so this condition is not possible. Due to this condition is not possible. So we will say this function fx is injective in this case. So therefore fx is injective. Okay. Now for surjectivity, we consider here fx equal x cube equal y, and this y belong to z codomain. Okay, and find the value of x in term of y. It is not belong to z domain. Region behind this, region not belong to z, region behind this, if we take y equal to, so then x will be equal to 2:1/3, and 2:1/3 is not integer value, is not belong to z. 2:1/3 it is not integer, ये integer नहीं है. Due to this function fx is not surjective, so therefore fx is not surjective. Okay, so this way we can say for this function it is injective function but not surjective function. It is clear? Now composition of two functions. let f such that A tends to B and G such that B tends to C are two functions so then their composition is denoted by GOF, is denoted by GOF and defined from A to C, given by GOF x equal GF x. It means that f and g are two functions which is defined from A to B and g defined from B to C. So then their composition denoted by GOF, and this GOF is also a function which is defined from A to C and given by GOF x equal GF x. इस O को रिमूव कर देते हैं and we can write this GOF x this way, G and bracket fx. डायग्राम से देखिए, this is set A, this B and this C. Function f which is defined from A to B and function g defined from B to C. So then GOF, this function will be defined from A to C. Okay. So this way, this is the composition of two functions. Now example of this. Find GOF and FOG if these are GOF and FOG both are composition of two functions. If we say first f and after that g, so then composition of f and g denoted by GOF and composition of G and F, this is denoted by FOG. So find GOF and FOG if fx equal 8x cube and gx equal x is to 1 upon 3. Here we have to find GOF and FOG through fx and gx. The solution of this, we have GOFX. It can be written by definition of composition G and in bracket we will take fx. So first we simplify this fx. By definition of fx, it is equal to 8x cube. Now we will use here definition of gx, and gx equal to x cube, and here in place of x 8x cube. So it will be equal to x is to 1 by 3 value of gx. So we put in place of x 8x cube raised to 1 by 3, and this can be written this way: 2x whole cube is to 1 by 3. This power to this be cancelled and left is 2x. So this way, this is the value of GOF. After this, FOG. It is clear? Now FOG. For FOG, we have again FOG x equal f, and we put this gx this way. After that, we put in place of gx value of gx through the definition of gx. It is x raised to 1 by 3. Now we apply value of fx here, and fx is 8x cube. Now for this function here, in place of x we put x is to 1 by 3. So it will be equal 8. In place of this x we will take x raised to 1 by 3, and after that whole cube. This power to this be cancelled and value will be 8x. So this way FOGX will be equal to this is. So this way we can find values of FOG and GOF, which are composition of two functions f and g. Okay, it is clear. Now after that, in next class, if you like this video, then share the video and subscribe the channel. If you have any doubt, तो you follow Telegram Trigo Academy, लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में है. थैंक यू.